Hello friends, the title of this video is Bond Market for Healthy Democracy. What is bond? Bonds are fixed income securities or financial instruments through which an investor provides loan or money to an entity in return for periodic interest payment and repayment of principal at the end of the agreed maturity. The rate of interest demanded by investor is based on the risk profile of the borrower, inflation expectations over the maturity period. Indian bond market is not fully developed, especially the corporate bond market. 80% of Indian bond market is dominated by the government and the remaining 20% is controlled by corporate sector. Indian corporate is mainly financed through the banking. It is observed that when corporate borrow money from the bank, they generate money not just for their promoters' enrichment but to finance the political system. You can easily relate it with Vijay Mallya and Nirav Modi and so on. If we replace bank financing with the corporate bond, it would close a very important source of illicit finance for the political parties. It is not enough to have financing by the corporate bonds. They must be issued in a transparent manner. Unlike India, Europe and USA has a well-developed bond market. Investors throughout the world invest in these bonds. These bonds have the maturity from 6 months to 30 years. So, this bond market help the developed countries to finance their infrastructure project. If bond market is reformed in India, it could become stable source of a finance to infrastructure companies. So, this will reduce the reliance of these companies or corporates on politicians to get loan from this banking. This will help to break the quasi-financial relationship between corporate sector and political parties. This may to some extent clean the political funding by the corporate sector. To conclude, as stated above, for better democracy, we should reform our bond market. Thank you for watching my video.